Hello from Italy, this is Loredana. Today I want to share with you a fresh spoon dessert coming from Sicilian tradition called Bianco Mangiare. This name is given to the white color of its ingredients. It's really delicious and easy to do it, and with its delicate flavor, you'll love it. Basically, it's a vanilla milk pudding where you use some cornstarch instead of egg and gelatin to thicken it. But let's start. Well, I'm going to show you all the ingredients you need to do it. You're going to need some whole milk, sugar, cornstarch, lemon peel. Make sure you choose untreated lemon, and when you peel it, try to take only the yellow part, avoiding the white one. It can be bitter. Some vanillin and some flaked almonds and cinnamon to garnish. That's all. So let's start. Come with me. You set apart a bit of milk in a bowl or a cup where you will dissolve your cornstarch, and put the other milk in a thick bottom pot with the sugar, vanillin and lemon peel, maximum 1 or 2 pieces. Put at moderate fire and stir it off and on. At the beginning you stir it just to let the sugar dissolve with the milk, and then you stir it off and on. In the meanwhile, you dissolve your cornstarch in the bowl little by little with the remaining milk. Then pour it slowly and gently in the same pan. Go ahead cooking all together at moderate fire, always stirring it, now using a whisk. After a few minutes, you can take the lemon peel off and keep on stirring it to avoid lumps and prevent it from sticking to the bottom. So when you see it's becoming sufficiently dense, similar to a bechamel, you don't have to wait it boils. So you stop the fire and you see like this, and keep on stirring it. So now is sufficiently dense, you see, okay, and keep on stirring it. You pour it in a big pudding mold or individual one. Today I go for the individual ones. Then allow to cool to room temperature and keep them in the fridge for about 3-4 hours. You see, it should be like a bechamel. So, after 3-4 hours, when the Bianco Mangiare will be hardened, you pull out of the fridge and you unmold it, turning it upside down in a plate. If it's difficult, you can cut the side of your mold so it will be easier to unmold. Now you can garnish it as you prefer. For example, you can sprinkle over candied fruit or dried fruit or some chocolate powder. The original recipe says to sprinkle some cinnamon, and I add some toasted flaked almond too. Here we are. This is your Bianco Mangiare. Look how soft it is. That's all. Enjoy your Bianco Mangiare. You can keep it in the fridge for 2 or 3 days. Really delicious and delicate. Try it, trust me. Enjoy your Bianco Mangiare. Did you like this recipe? Make the secrets of the Italian's way of cooking yours. Taste of Italy to all of you. Bye!